If you've been thinking about creating your own website and you're not sure where to start, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use Webnode for building a website, and guess what? You don't have to be a tech expert to get it up and running. Whether you want a personal portfolio, a blog, or even an online store, Webnode has all the tools to make it happen. Let's get started. To get started with creating your website, the first step is to head over to webnode.com. Whether you're a seasoned website creator or this is your first time using the platform, don't worry, I'll guide you through everything. Once you're on the homepage, simply click on the Create a Website button at the top right corner to begin your journey. Next, you'll need to sign up. You have two easy options for this. Sign up with your Google account. If you already have a Google account, this option will save you some time. Just click and you're in. Sign up with your email. If you'd prefer to use a separate email, you can create an account by entering your email address and choosing a secure password. Once you're signed in, you'll be prompted to choose a name for your website. This is an important step, so make sure the name reflects your purpose. Whether it's your business name, personal blog, or portfolio, pick something that speaks to your audience and helps establish your brand identity. At this point, Webnode will guide you through setting up the rest of your website, from choosing a template to customizing it with your content. You'll have everything you need to get started with creating a professional and polished site in no time. The platform will prompt you to choose the type of website you'd like to build. This is a key step because Webnode offers tailored templates and features based on the kind of website you're creating. Whether you're launching a new venture or just need an online space for personal use, there's a fitting option for every need. Portfolio. If you're a freelancer, photographer, or creative professional, this is the perfect option. You'll have a clean, well-organized space to display your work and impress potential clients or employers. Online store. If you're interested in selling products online, Webnode provides e-commerce templates that make it easy to set up your store, manage inventory, and even accept payments securely. Blog. For those who love writing and sharing ideas, starting a blog with Webnode is a breeze. You'll have everything you need to publish posts, manage categories, and engage with your audience. However, if you're just getting started and aren't sure yet, you can opt for a basic website. This option is incredibly versatile, offering you the freedom to add various sections later on, like blogs, product pages, or even galleries. This way, you won't be locked into a particular structure right from the start. No matter what path you choose, Webnode offers plenty of tools to help you customize your website to meet your specific needs. The flexibility of the platform ensures that as your business or personal project grows, your site can grow with it. Now comes one of the most exciting parts of the process: picking your website's design. Webnode offers a variety of templates, each designed to cater to different industries and styles. You can browse through their options and select a template that resonates with your vision, whether it's minimalist, bold, or professional. But if you're feeling unsure about which template is right for you, Webnode has a helpful solution. The platform offers an AI-powered template suggestion feature. By answering a few simple questions about your website's purpose and style preferences, the AI will recommend a design that suits your needs. This is a great option if you're feeling stuck or just want some extra guidance on which template would be the best fit. If you already have an idea in mind or if you find a template that sparks inspiration, you can simply select the one you like. There's no need to overthink it because you can always customize the template later on. After clicking on your chosen template, Webnode will load it for you to start personalizing. Whether you're creating a professional business site, a blog, or a personal project, the template serves as a solid foundation to bring your ideas to life. The best part? No coding knowledge is required, so you can focus on making your site look great without worrying about the technical details. Now, the creative fun begins. With your template loaded, it's time to dive into the customization process and make your website uniquely yours. One of the first things you'll probably want to do is personalize your homepage to set the tone for your visitors. To get started, simply hover over any section of your page, and you'll notice a small plus icon appear. Clicking on it will allow you to easily add new elements to your site. Whether you want to insert a text block to describe your services, a contact form for inquiries, an image gallery to showcase your products, or a map for directions to your store, the options are endless. Plus, if you decide that a certain section doesn't fit your vision, you can delete it by clicking the settings icon next to the section and selecting delete. For instance, if you want to update the name of your site, simply click the header area where the website's title appears. You can type in whatever you like, whether it's your brand name, a slogan, or any other text that reflects your identity. If you already have a logo, now's the time to upload it. If not, don't worry. You can still create a clean and professional look using just text. Even without a logo, the text is customizable, so you can experiment with different fonts, sizes, and colors to make it stand out. This process allows you to really express who you are and what your website is all about, whether you're building a personal blog, an e-commerce store, or a portfolio. Each section can be tailored to meet your needs, ensuring that your site truly reflects your style and goals. The flexibility Webnode offers ensures that you can easily adjust everything, even if you change your mind later on. If you're looking to expand your website with more pages, like an About Us or Contact page, Webnode makes it incredibly simple. Just navigate to the Pages section, typically located on the left side of the dashboard, and click on Add Page. This will give you the flexibility to add as many pages as you need. Once you choose to add a page, you'll have several layout options to select from. Whether you want a single-column layout for a clean, minimal look, or a multi-column layout to organize content more dynamically, Webnode has you covered. You can even create specialized pages for things like an online store, portfolio, or blog, depending on what your site requires. For a basic Contact Us page, Webnode offers several pre-designed templates to make things quicker. Simply pick a template that resonates with you, and then begin adding the relevant content such as your contact details, an embedded map, or a contact form. It's as easy as clicking and typing. You can also drag and drop elements around, allowing you to position them exactly where you want them on the page. This drag and drop feature is a real game changer because it gives you full control over the layout and design without needing any coding experience. If you need to include images, buttons, or even a testimonial section, simply choose the type of element you want to add from the menu and drop it into place. It's a great way to give your pages a professional look while keeping the process efficient and hassle-free. Turning your website into an online store is incredibly straightforward with Webnode, especially if you're looking to sell products and accept payments. Webnode offers an intuitive e-commerce feature that lets you list your products, set their prices, and organize them into categories with ease. You can also add product descriptions, upload high-quality images, and manage your inventory. If you're selling physical goods, you can even specify weight, shipping options, and calculate tax rates for different regions. However, it's important to note that the online store feature is only available as part of Webnode's premium plans. If you're just getting started and aren't quite ready to dive into e-commerce yet, no worries. you can continue using the free plan to create a fantastic website that serves other purposes like a personal blog, portfolio, or business page. The free plan provides great flexibility, allowing you to design a professional website, add sections, and showcase your content. And if, down the line, you decide you're ready to take the plunge into e-commerce, upgrading to a premium plan will unlock the store functionality, payment integrations, and other advanced tools you might need. If you do decide to upgrade, Webnode offers seamless integration with popular payment platforms like PayPal and Stripe, so setting up your checkout process is smooth and secure. Whether you're just showcasing your work or launching your products to a wider audience, Webnode's easy-to-use platform can grow with your needs. Once you've perfected your website and made all the necessary adjustments, it's time for a final check. Before publishing, click on the preview button to see a live preview of how your site will appear to visitors on both desktop and mobile. This is a great chance to ensure that everything looks polished and that the user experience flows smoothly on different devices. If any tweaks are needed, you can go back to edit and refine your design. Once you're confident that your website is ready to go, simply navigate to the top right corner and click on the Publish button. Within seconds, your website will be live and accessible to the world. It's an exciting moment. Your hard work has paid off, and now everyone can see your site. If you already have a custom domain name, you can easily link it to your Webnode website. For example, instead of using the default Webnode subdomain, you can use your own domain, like www.yourbusiness.com, to give your website a more professional appearance. This is available with Webnode's premium plans. But if you're just getting started and don't yet have a domain, you can always stick with Webnode's free subdomain. It'll look something like yourname.webnode.page. Additionally, Webnode offers an easy way to manage SEO settings to improve your site's visibility in search engines. You can edit page titles, descriptions, and keywords, making it easier for people to find your website when searching online. Whether you choose a custom domain or the free subdomain, publishing your site and launching it to the world is quick and simple. The free version of Webnode is quite robust and gives you a lot of flexibility for building and managing a website. However, if you're looking for more advanced features or want to remove Webnode's branding, you might consider upgrading to one of their premium plans. These plans offer extra benefits like increased storage, the ability to connect your own custom domain, and the option to remove ads that appear on free sites. The basic plan is a great entry-level option for those who want to take their site to the next level. This plan includes one free domain for the first year, which can make your site look more professional. You can also take advantage of additional storage space, which is ideal if you plan to add lots of media or files to your site. This plan also offers the option to remove the Webnode ads, which can create a cleaner, more polished user experience. For users who need even more features, the standard plan offers everything from unlimited storage to advanced SEO tools. This plan allows you to manage multiple languages on your website, which is great if you have an international audience. You can also integrate Google Analytics to track your website's performance and make data-driven decisions. If you're running a growing business or need more customization, these premium plans are worth considering. However, if you're just starting out and testing the waters, the free version will likely meet your needs for now. You can always upgrade later once your website grows and you require more advanced tools.